IELTS Part 25. Useful words for comparison. Almost the same as also, in common. Also, as, at the same time as, correspondingly, either, or, in a like manner, in the same way, in common, just as, like, neither, nor, resemble, similar to, similarly, than. Useful words for contrast. Although, but, different from, even though, however, in contrast to, instead, less than, more than, nevertheless, on the other hand, otherwise, still, unlike, while, yet. Question number 1 to 4. Complete below based on what you put a check tick to show if these items are alike or different. Salary, schedule, responsibilities, location, transportation. Number 2, libraries, location, size, parking facility, number of books, services. Number 3, club memberships, cost, use of club facilities, access to fitness. D, locker room privilege. E, individual plan. 4, frogs and toads, place for babies to place for adults to live, type, shape, way to make sounds. Target 13, listening for negative meaning. On IELTS, you may have to determine whether a statement is positive or negative. Listen to the statement carefully to determine whether the sense of the statement is positive or negative. You will hear it was a very dense book, but it wasn't impossible to read. You will see, choose the correct letter A, B, or C. What does the women say about the book? B. A negative prefix can contradict the word it joins. This usually results in a negative meaning. For example, unfriendly contradicts friendly and has a negative meaning, not friendly. But when a negative meaning is added to a negative word, the resulting meaning can be positive. For example, unselfish contradicts selfish and has positive meaning, not selfish. You can also put a negative word before a verb clause to change the meaning of the sentence. Useful negative markers. Before verbs clauses: not, isn't, can't, won't, shouldn't, couldn't, hasn't, mustn't, rarely, only rarely, hotly, scarcely, seldom, never, barely, not since, not until, and neither. Before nouns and phrases: no, nowhere, nothing, at no time, not at this time, in no case, by no means. Negative prefixes: on, in, ill, in, non. Positive meaning from negative prefixes: undone, impossible, illegal, indefinite, nonsense, limited, unlimited, unparalleled, invaluable, non-restrictive, non-violent. Question 1 to 6, put a check tick next to the correct appliances. Number 1, I can't wait to start the class. Number 2, the teacher is not only my favorite teacher, she is also my neighbor. Number 3, I can't say that it was particularly comfortable hotel. Number 4, we'll never find a book as interesting as this. Number 5, that was not an illegal action. Number 6, we could scarcely understand him. Question 7 to 12. Listen to the conversation. Choose correct letter A, B, or C. Number 7. What describes the weather in the region? 8. When taking the exam, the students can. Question number 9. When will the car be fixed? Question number 10. What is the women's opinion of the restaurant? Number 11. Which type of flower is not common in the area? Number 12. What homework does the man have to do this week? Target 14, listening for chronology, listening for the order in which events occur is an important skill. You will need to listen to what happened first, second, and so on. You will hear before you do your work. In fact, I'll tell you more about it in my